So you can adjust the spray. It's gonna depend on how much air you put in the elephant. So it can go far. I mean, you can have it however you want. So that is the pool, guys. It's nice. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this durable, heavy-duty gauge inflatable swimming pool. So I'm excited, guys. However, it is still so cold in our area. I mean, we get nice days where it hits 70s. Now it's back down to the 50s and the 30s and 40s overnight. I tell you what, I'm ready for summer to actually get here. All right, guys, they give you a couple repair, just little plastic vinyl repair kit. All right, guys, this is the pool once it's laid out. So there's a couple things you're gonna wanna do. Before you add water, make sure you close this down in. So it should just seal right in. Like that. And over here, you want to do the same thing. You pull these plugs when you want to drain the water. So that one just drains straight down. This one here drains at an angle. You can hook up another hose to this and then have it drain somewhere far away if you wanted to. Over here you have 3 different ends, nozzles for filling with air. There's multiple ways of filling up with air. The way I do it, a lot of people do it. It's the most convenient, but over a course of a week or so, it can slowly leak air, which is not really a big deal because, in my opinion, it's not a big deal because it takes 2 minutes then to just refill some air back up, which we'll show you guys. All right, so what I like to do is you put the black end in first. Now, if you have a nozzle that fits in there, then you guys can go ahead and just use that. What I like to do is also put this over top, make sure it's down in nice and good. And now what I do is I take my compressor with the needle and I poke a hole just big enough to get the needle in so no air escapes. Now, the black baffle is designed to let air in and not out, so that's already a protection as well. Now, again, you could blow it with your mouth. It might take a long time. If you have the correct end, you could put it right in here and then you just stick it down in. So what you can do is you can put the black piece down in and then you could stick this down in. And if you guys, it's gonna be a little tough to see here, but the baffle inside will open up and then you can blow it up like that, but it takes way longer. This other method always goes fast and it's what I've always done for a long time. So this is what I do. I just stick it straight down in, right through. Now, if you're doing this, make sure you have good pressure on so you don't bend your compressor tip end. And then when you're done, you just pull it right out and it holds air for at least a week. And it doesn't, you know, after a week, it's only a little bit of air that comes out. So, you know, it'll take 5 minutes just to top it off every week. So we got 2 air compressors going, so it won't take too long. Slowly getting there. You want to check on them every so often. You don't want to overinflate it, so make sure you do not overinflate your pool. All right, now we got 3 going. That's the nice thing about having 3 compressors. You got 3 going at one time. Yeah, that's how you get it inflated. So again, if you only have 1, it will take some time. Just, you know, be patient. All right, guys. So now you see how it looks. So over here, this is an elephant, and you can hook up your hose and it will spray water right from its nose. So the hookup is right here, and you just hook up a line to it, and then when you want to drain, you can simply drain it as well. So guys, it's pretty deep. Standing up, it's to probably, once it's full of air, it'll be close to my kneecap. So I'm 5'9". So it is fairly deep, and it is very big. Definitely can have a lot of people in here, or a lot of kids. So you can adjust the spray. It's gonna depend on how much air you put in the elephant. So it can go far. I mean, you can have it however you want. So that is the pool, guys. It's nice.